Ladies and gentlemen, we finally have the first look at the upcoming Google flagship, which is the Pixel 8 Pro. The leaks come courtesy of a very reliable leaker, Onleaks, and I have to say I am loving the design of this phone. Now I love the design of the Pixel 7 Pro and it's great to see Google refining that design further. The most visible change is in the camera bar or the camera setup. In the Pixel 7 Pro, the telephoto lens was in its own housing to the side, whereas in the Pixel 8 Pro, Google has integrated it all in one large pill. Not a huge deal, but it does look a bit cleaner. The other visible change is a new sensor located below the flash, but its specific function remains unknown. I think it could be a depth sensor or maybe even a new sensor altogether. No rumors have surfaced regarding the main sensors, but Google is expected to use Staggered HDR, which would enable better HDR photos without increased capture time. The other design change includes more rounded corners. The bezels also seem super thin, but this is a render, so the real deal might not be as slimmy. There is a center hole punch camera which is housed in a 6.52-inch display. And one of my biggest pain points with a Pro Pixel phone has been its curved panel. If rumors are to be believed, Google has finally listened to consumers and decided to use a flat panel instead. So weird that Apple plans to use a slightly curved panel this year, while Google has taken the Apple route to introduce a flat panel. Other rumored specs are in line with what we expect, so 12GB of RAM, 128GB of starting storage, 5000 mAh battery and Google Tensor 3. The Tensor 3 is rumored to be built on 3nm technology, which should enhance both performance and efficiency. And these phones might be shown off at Google I/O. Last year, Google surprised everyone by showcasing the Pixel 7 series early, and this year I expect that to be true as well. But what are your thoughts on the leaks? Are you excited for the Pixel 8 Pro?